Hey everybody, welcome back. This is our second weekly Q&A session. My name is Tina Wilson. I'm a partner here at Cox, Philo, Camel & Wilson, where I've practiced for 19 years. And for most of those years, I have handled the Social Security disability cases on behalf of our firm and our clients. I want to get started by talking about the different types of Social Security benefits that are available to people. The first one that a lot of people are familiar with is Social Security retirement benefits. And in order to qualify for that, you just have to meet the age of eligibility, and you have to have worked for an employer who withheld Social Security taxes from your paycheck and contributed to the system on your behalf. The second type of benefits that most people are familiar with are disability benefits. Now, under the heading of disability, there are actually two types of benefits that people can qualify for. The first of those is SSI, and that stands for Supplemental Security Income. Now, those benefits are available to people who may not have worked enough, or maybe have not worked recently enough and didn't pay in enough to the Social Security system. But you still have benefits available to you if that is the case. You have to be disabled, and SSI also is dependent upon the income and the resources that are available to you in your household. So if you are disabled and have limited resources and limited income, you may qualify for SSI benefits. The second type of disability benefits is what we call just Social Security disability. And those benefits are available to people who meet Social Security's definition of disability and who have worked for an employer who withheld Social Security taxes from your paycheck and contributed to the system on your behalf. Now, in order to qualify for Social Security disability, you have to have a disabling condition that is expected to last for 12 months or more. And these are the type of benefits that that we've gotten some questions about that I'm going to try to answer for you here today. The first question I get most often is, how much income am I going to get if I qualify for Social Security disability? And I have to be honest with you, that's a tough question to answer, simply because the amount of benefits that you receive are based upon how much you worked, how much you paid in, what your income was when you worked, and your work status. So Social Security takes all of that into account and determines the amount of disability benefits that you may be entitled to. The second question that we got is, will my kids be entitled to benefits if I'm found to be disabled? And the answer to that is yes. If you have minor children who have not yet reached the age of 18, they are entitled to benefits on your work record. Children who are over the age of 18 but are still in high school can also receive benefits up until the age of 19. So yes, your children will qualify for benefits if you are found by the Social Security Administration to be deemed disabled. A third question that we got, and I get it a lot, I'm a teacher. Why don't I qualify for Social Security benefits? Well, the answer to that is because state governments are given the option to pay into Social Security, or they can develop their own retirement and disability program. And in the state of Louisiana, a lot of our state and parish governments have chosen to do just that. They have opted out of the Social Security system. So if you're a teacher, if you're a state employee, if you're a parish employee, you'll see that Social Security taxes don't get withheld from your check. So for that reason, teachers, government employees, you are entitled to receive benefits from your employer, from the state or from the parish, but you most often don't qualify for Social Security disability benefits simply because they're not paid in. How do you qualify, or how do you apply for Social Security benefits? There are three ways that can be accomplished. The first, most simplest way, and I think it's the way that the Social Security Administration prefers, is you can log on to ssa.gov. There's a section on disability. You click on that, you can complete the entire application online. If it's kind of lengthy, so if you can't get it all finished in one sitting, you are able to pause that session and come back to it later to finish your application. Second way is simply just to go down to your local Social Security office and let them help you fill out an application. Our Social Security office here in Lake Charles is on 18th Street, so that's an option. The third is you can call Social Security, and sometimes they'll help you with your application over the phone. So the three ways to apply for Social Security disability benefits are either online, in person at your local Social Security office, or over the phone. I think our time is just about up for today, but if there are any questions out there that I may not have answered today, please feel free to call us. Our number is 800-8888. Visit our website at coxcoxphilo.com, or if you want to post a question here on the video, we'll do the best we can to get back to you and answer whatever questions you have. I do want to remind everybody that besides Social Security disability, our firm handles a variety of cases. We handle car accidents. We help people who are injured in work accidents. We've got some toxic tort exposure cases. So if you've got any of those things, please feel free to visit our website and check us out. It's coxcoxphilo.com. And I enjoyed having you with me today. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.